southeastern Lincoln County in Middle Tennessee, southwestern Franklin County in Middle Tennessee, until 6:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:08 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar was tracking a confirmed tornado near Hazel Green, or 10 miles north of Meridianville. Doppler radar showed this tornado moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. This tornado has a history of producing significant damage in portions of limestone and northern Madison County. Locations impacted include Huntland, Lincoln, Flintville, Lexi Crossroads, Aurora, Beans Creek, Smithland, and Crystal Springs. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Tornadoes are extremely difficult to see and confirm at night. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 6:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following county: Lincoln County, Tennessee.